I'm going to, well, anyway. So we have this, which is GGK 3625, 25 feet of 36 gauge K-type thermocouple with glass braid, good up to 482 degrees Celsius for the insulation. Yeah, so I've, the resistance of it is about 24 ohms per foot, and you don't want to go over about 100 ohms for a given thermocouple. What I have here is about, I don't know, 18 inches-ish of thermocouple wire that I've cut from there. And I'm gonna go through building a little temperature sensor for the TS100 tip. So first off, just stripping the wire down. Next, I'm using, let's see, I don't want to touch the wires at this point. I'm just going to twist them up. Doesn't exactly matter how much they're twisted, actually. With that twist in place, I have my power supply set to 5 volts and 10 amps. I'm clipping on right there. I'm going to grab this little carbon rod I got out of a Carbon-Zinc battery. Turn on that, and here we go. Okay, turn that off. Let's see how it looks. Grabbing that. Twist. So grabbing there, untwist, yep. Separate those into 2 wires, yeah. They're 2 wires, definitely, and they are 1 bead at the top. I don't know if you can see that. 1 bead. Perfect. Next, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna change this orientation. No, I'm gonna leave it the same. Okay, so this is just 2 points grabbing onto this so it doesn't move. Clip power supply on here. Now I have thermocouple leads there. I'm gonna grab some flux. This is okay, smeared on there. Get that flux on there. I'm gonna rotate that around if I can. Okay, that's on. Clip this on. Clip this on. I'm gonna change those settings because I changed them once before. Back to what I know. Which for me previously. Where's the fat side? This is a wedge tip. On the Heiko. Okay, so got that pressing against it. Okay, it's pressing down. Okay. Pressing down. Perfect. Now I have this little bit of easy silver solder. Cut a little strip there. Grab it with these pliers. Okay, here we go. Actually, I'm gonna set that back to what it was. It'll work either way, I'm sure, but I feel like I have more control that way. So that's at 16 volts and about 2 amps. Is going straight into the tip at this point. So point being, it'll heat up nice and hot. Okay, is this melting? Not yet. There we go. Turn on red. And I gotta turn it off because thermocouple slipped down and hasn't burned actually, but slipped down. Okay. That's good. Turning her back on. Here we go. Get this prepped a bit at the same time. Okay. Well, turn that off. Did we get it? I think we may have burned it, but I'm not sure. We either embedded it or we failed. So, just gotta let it cool. Let her cool. I guess actually one thing we can do for now is just take this little cheapie and measure the resistance at the other end. Is 65 ohms, so it's connected and it seems fairly good. On this point, I'm not sure on that guy. Gotta wash it and check it, basically. But that's it. Yeah. Here they are. 3 tips. A generic B2, a Heiko, I don't even remember, a Heiko T15D2, I guess, and a Miniware TSD24. Yeah, 3 test tips ready to go.